I'm good? Okay. It's cute. Hmm? Yeah. Mason. 영수증. 가격은 비밀. Everyone already knows anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. It's done. Let's open the box. Such a fancy box. The box is made in Hungary. Wow. Look at that. Why are you focusing? It's made in Hungary. Amazing. Okay, I'll open it here so everyone can see. Ooh. So I've been wanting this bag for only like 2 weeks, and then it came into my hands. It was sold out last week. I went on Monday actually. 월요일이었나? Yeah. Went on Monday, and then I went on lunchtime, and they had it, and I'm like, do I want to spend over 1K on a bag? So I'm like, let's think about it until work finishes. And I went after work, and then guess what? It was freaking sold out. So I'm just like, and they're like, oh, one's showing online. So I went to search online, and then they're like, and then it was sold out online as well. And I'm like, someone must have already bought it. And I'm like, the bag wasn't for me. So I went the next day, which was yesterday, Tuesday, and then I'm not even talking about the bag. And then Tuesday, I went, and they're like, it's sold out. And I'm like, I know.
You're like, 고질고질.
Yeah, so I'm like, can you tell me when the bag comes in? And then she's like, okay, we can write your name down. We can call you when it comes in. So she took my name down, and it came in today. But look, she didn't even message me. I guess Louis Vuitton doesn't have that service.
아, 그럼 언니가 그냥 가는 거야?
Yeah, so today at lunchtime, I'm just like, I have 30 minutes left. Let's just go Louis Vuitton because it's on the way anyway. So I went in, and I'm like, do you have the favorite bag? And I showed them on my phone, and they're like, I can help, I can assist you. And then after, one of the staff assisted me, and he's like, DJing, like he's going through all the drawer, and then the other print, the original LV print, there was like 20 of them, and then he's like, oh look, lucky last one. And I'm like, what the hell? Thanks for messaging me, because the bag arrived, and it wasn't there, but it was there. So apparently this arrived this morning. So, and I'm like, I have 5 minutes left on my break, and I'm like, should I buy, should I not buy? And then he's like, just get it. And I'm like, yeah, of course you would say that. You work here. And then he's like, no, because Louis Vuitton, all their products, the prices go up. And I'm like, ah. So he was giving an example saying the Louis Vuitton perfumes, they're $300, but each year it goes up by $50. And I'm like, I don't really care, but okay. So I thought maybe the price, I don't really care about the price, to be honest. So I'm just like, you know what, I'll get it, because it's cute. So I got this bag. I thought it had a pocket in the back, but I totally got deceived from the picture. It's just a Jinba Kingo. Anyway, so I would never carry it like this. This is so ajuma. Like, this is not me. Maybe my mom would carry it like this. I didn't even tell my mom I got this bag. I don't need to tell her. So it's red inside. It's a bit teal. Very outstanding. There's a little thing. It says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Oh, it's in French at the back as well. Is Louis Vuitton French? I didn't even know. See, I don't know anything about luxury. This is made in France. So I got this at the George Street Louis Vuitton store.
Yeah, France.
France, yes, I know. Very nice. So, I don't like it how I can't adjust the straps. It's only just one length. Otherwise, I have to tie up the leather, which I don't want to do because I just paid $200 for my Gucci strap that broke. So I guess I just have to deal with this length. So it's super cute. I love the size. This is PM. MM is smaller. But for a person like me that carries like 10,000 things in their bag, I carry 2 bags to work. One for lunch and one for books. So I carry this bag and it's freaking heavy as. So everything in here is definitely not going to fit here. But I decided I need to live a minimal life sometimes. So I decided to get a small bag and try to live minimum. Because I need to have my water bottle and everything in my bag. Anyway, so I'll update you guys on how I wear my bags. See ya! Woo! It's mine now! I might return it actually. The returns policy is 30 days. Exchange or refund. Anyway, thanks Louis V. I don't want to even turn it off.